Hello, welcome to the Video Jaguar tutorial. If you just purchased Video Jaguar, congratulations, we're glad to have you. And if you're on the fence, hopefully this tutorial will help you to determine whether it's a good fit for your business or not. But what you'll see is how quick and easy it is to make business advertisements for your company. So without further ado, let's get into it. As you can see, this is the home screen. And we're in the video ad maker module, which is the first module that every package comes with. And like the other modules, it's all set up the same way. So you're going to see the same home screen or home tab, project tab, support tab, settings, and logout. And this is the home page where you'll see all the different templates that we have laid out. And you can see on the bottom, there's another page of templates too. So basically, what you can do is you can hover over each one of these and it auto plays. So as you can see, they autoplay once you hover over them. And basically, we have these already pre-made templates set up for different industries. And, don't be afraid if you don't see your industry on here, because these are all just, customizable templates that are to get you started. So basically what you should really look for once you want to make a business advertisement for your company is how you like the ads effects, how you like it laid out. Like this one's in a postcard view. And then, others have, different shapes for the top right corner. So some say call us today and a circle. Some are like a little ribbon. So basically what you're wanting to do is just see which one you like, because you can change all the text, the images, the colors, and the music. So everything's, can be customized down to what exactly you need it for. So for an example, we can, let's just pick this one that says gym. Click on it. Then it says create video, which opens up the video editor. And now you can see how the video editor works. You have the name of your project right here, so for this example, we picked the gym theme, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to convert this to, let's say you are a used car dealer. So we can go with, name the project used car dealer. Okay. And then we'll just go quick overview of everything here. This is the editing panel for the slide 1, the current image, and you can see down here at the bottom there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different slides. And basically up here you get the top navigation where this is all the editing for all the slides. Then you can choose the colors, music, and then finish, which will start creating the video. So let's edit this first slide. You can come over here. You can see this is where the image is. So you click that. Now, most of you will be using your own images because, if you want a truly customized video, you're going to want to be talking about your brand and having maybe images of your office, or for this instance, a car lot. And that makes the videos a little bit more personal. So once you do that, you click browse and upload any photo from your computer, and there's a little size recommendation over here. It says it has to be at least 1917 pixels wide by 746 high. So if you're uploading your own pictures, keep it around that dimension size. So for this, though, we're going to be using just regular old stock footage, which is fine because we have two huge royalty-free libraries that are connected to the software, Pixabay and Unsplash. So we'll go to Pixabay, and it opens up this search box up here. We'll say car dealer, since this is a car dealer example. Okay, pick this one. And all you got to do is click the choose button, and it will auto size this for what you need. So the crop button, I would say like you don't need to do that unless you're uploading your own pictures and you want to try to size it to the recommended size beforehand. But in most instances, just use the choose and it'll auto do everything for you. So we got that. And then you'll see this text box right here. It has a 40 character limit. So that's the only restraint. And you'll see where this text shows up is up top. And it looks like, we go to other slide. Yeah, that's going to be a message that's going to stay there throughout the whole thing. So you can, just for example purposes, just say your used car company name. So you can put the name of your business up there, and then on here you can say whatever on there, but let's, for this example, say call today. And at the bottom you can say many great cars to choose from, and then go to the next slide. So we'll change this image to another car dealer image, and we'll go to Unsplash this time. You can see how easy it is to select images for your videos, even if you don't have them yet. So it's a great tool to save time and just pump out as many videos as you need. So we picked that image. We'll say many different import models available. Go next. This one, go back to the image library, go to Pixabay. Select this one, choose. Say factory certified cars. And the final slide will be another image. Let's go. I saw another one. Handshake. That's a good one. Here we go. And I can say top rated used car dealer in, let's say, DC or wherever you're located. So we'll go next, and this is the last slide. Obviously you can select your logo and upload it there. Since it's a darker background, we would suggest using a lighter version of your logo, or if you have a dark black logo and you're trying to put it on a dark background, then that's not going to be the best. So if it's for like video like this, it's a darker background, so use like a lighter logo, and then obviously make sure it's transparent, and then obviously it says the recommended size, 499 pixels wide by 202 pixels tall or height. So that's basically the only restrictions there. So you'll upload it the same way. You click that, and just go to browse and upload your logo. So you'll have it there. And then obviously here you can write whatever. You see it's right there under the logo. So call us today and drive off the lot. Or yeah, you see there's 35 characters. So you just say or call us today. Or if it's a car lot, maybe visit us today. Here you can even put your number 202 123 4567. So your number will stay there, and then your web address can go down here, and that's it. Okay, so this is where the colors come into play. And obviously you saw where these colors are currently, located in the example. So, we can come over here and choose a different style. You can say blue, and these are pre-picked colors. You see this is the left side, this is the right side. So you can do that, or you can go to this tab and say custom colors. And so this is probably what you're going to do most of the time if you want to match your videos to your company branding or how your what colors you use on your website. So this is pretty straightforward. Click that, and then a color box opens. You can select all these predetermined colors, or you can put in the custom codes for whatever color you need. So pretty straightforward. But for now, we're just going to leave it at this blue. Click next. We're going to come to the music section. And as of right now, it's already, the template has this preloaded one on here. It's selected, which, if you like it, sounds nice. But we'll go down here. You can see these are all the other, selections that you can choose from. And they're all, fully licensed, royalty-free, music that you can use. You're not going to get in trouble using or anything like that. So if you like one of these, you just come over here and hit the plus button, and it'll, add it to the video, and replace whatever you had up there. So that's pretty cool part about this, because you don't really need to figure out like, oh, well, what's the music now or whatever. But so say if you do have your own music, or if you wanted to use like a song or something that you have the rights and whatever to, then you can come over to this tab and upload your own. So you click upload audio, and that's basically, you put whatever custom music track you want on your video. So for now, we're just going to leave it as it is, and go over to the next final tab. So, which is the easiest part. You just say start rendering, and don't worry, your changes aren't going to be seen right there. This is just the, what the template was to begin with. So we're going to click start rendering. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That video we just created is going to go over to the projects tab, where I've already created a couple other videos that I've completed, as you can see. And this video ad maker is gonna create this video pretty quickly. But even if you don't want to wait, it's gonna shoot you an email telling you it's done whenever it finishes. So that's pretty convenient as well. And for this example, we just basically used the pre-made gym template and used it for, like, if you're a car dealer. So that's the biggest takeaway I want to really drive home, because if you don't see your go back to the home screen, if you don't see your industry already made, don't worry, because you can really make it from any of these. This is just like a jumping off point to get you started. But you're basically looking at what kind of effects you like for these videos, and then going from there. and customizing it for whatever, industry you're in. So we'll go back to the projects tab, and once the video is completed, like these ones over here, all you have to do is click on it, and it will pop up, and you click download, and the download will download right to your computer. And I do suggest using the software on a laptop or desktop, even though you can use it on like your phone or tablet. But to really get like a good workspace, I feel like you have to use a bigger screen. Well, that's just my personal preference. But if you do find yourself on your mobile device on the move and unable to use a laptop or desktop, you can access the software on a mobile device as well. And it's pretty cool because you can access the software anywhere you have a Wi-Fi internet connection, and all your projects are going to be stored on our cloud-based software, and you can create as many projects as you want. Unlimited downloads. It's all available with your license. And like it said before, the coolest part is you can make these videos for yourself, or you could make these videos for other businesses. And you could really just create a whole new company selling these marketing videos to other businesses out there that desperately need them and probably have no idea it's so easy to make videos like this. So that wraps up the tutorial. And like I mentioned prior, the video ad maker, which is the first video maker module that every package gets, this is all styled the same way as all the other video ad maker modules. So the only other tutorial we'll be doing is for the Video Studio FX, which is the online video editor that comes with the premium package. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned a lot. And obviously you can see how easy it is to create videos, and why the Video Jaguar is the world's easiest video maker. And we hope to see some really great videos that you guys create. Hopefully it helps out your business and gets you more content to share on social media. And hopefully more customers will come to visit your business. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to drop us a line. The contact information is on the site. Thank you, and happy video creating. Bye.